What's up guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for being here. Today I did not do any trades at all on my funded accounts, and as I said in our Discord right here, I said that I did not trade. There was one person that put in the trade of the day, Yassine. This is the same trade that I would have put in for the trade of the day since I did not take it. But yeah, this trade was amazing. I did not take it. I will go over why, the reasons, and all of that. Also, some people asked me to do kind of another video on SMT. I think the video that I already did was perfect, and I wouldn't add anything to it. But in this video, I'll show you maybe two more examples or so, and I'll show you why this SMT was good, and I'll show you or tell you why I did not take this trade and why I did not trust today, and I came into the day not wanting to take any trades. So let's start. Going to the big time frame, 8:30 was right here, which is my market open as 8:30. First of all, what is today? What news do we have today? We had nothing. Also, today is Monday. So no news Monday tends to be always kind of like risky, very low probability, and it's just a seek and destroy day. I came into the day and I looked at the bigger time frame, and what did I see? The only thing that I've marked today is these low resistance liquidity inside of this bearish fair value gap. And I thought that we would this is the drawn liquidity, which it was for a short amount of time, but because it's Monday, we just did a zigzag. Also, coming into the day, I did not want to trade because I saw before market open, I saw this. And what do you see here? Like, this is a zigzag, just a snaky pattern, just up and down with no reasons. We were like zigzagging up and down here. Market open, we did more zigzagging, equal highs, and then we dumped. Maybe you can come and say, oh, we had maybe like these fair value gaps, and once we broke it, we can go lower. Yes, we can go lower. Lower to where? Lower to this sell side liquidity on the 15 minutes, right? And then it went down. Did we take out this sell side liquidity? Absolutely not. But look, we did not take it, and then we got this perfect IFG sweep of liquidity on this small structure, sweep of liquidity, IFG, and we ran 100 points to the upside to the equal high. It was a perfect trade, but I would have loved it more. I would have actually traded this and put risk on the table if we would have taken this sell side liquidity on the 15 minutes. But one thing I did not notice is if you go back to the 15 minutes, this same low right here on NASDAQ, it's right here on S&P. And this was one of the people's question in the Discord. He was surprised that we went back this far to get an SMT or to see if this is an actual SMT. And yes, this is an absolutely SMT, and it's beautiful SMT. Why is it beautiful SMT? Because the weakest pair took out this liquidity. That's one thing. Also, this is not old. This is not an old low or to kind of get a confirmation for SMT. This is a perfect SMT because the weakest pair took out this low. And the second thing is, this is just was made in probably Asian session. So it was 5 p.m. of yesterday. So this is basically, you can call it an Asian session low that was swept on S&P and was not on NASDAQ. I personally, first of all, did not see this on a live time. I just saw it on hindsight. I am completely honest with you guys. I'm not gonna come here and say, oh, I saw it, but I did not take it. No, I did not see that SMT. 100% clear with you. Did not see that while the candle were moving and in this range right here. I did not see that. We inversed it and we got a beautiful setup, and that's why this setup worked. Okay, If I would have seen the SMT, would I have taken this trade? And the answer is no. You're gonna say, why no? This is an amazing trade, yes. But what is today? Today is a Monday, no news day. Pre-market, very choppy, very consolidating, and it's not usually Monday, guys, is really bad day, and when you get an SMT, you can't really trust it. So this is the thing as well. Monday price action is horrible and it's trash. And it kind of confirmed that to me pre-market, before market open, and then market opened here. We kind of consolidated. We didn't do anything. We just consolidated, manipulating in this bearish fair value gap, and then the price sold off. And we did not even take any sell side liquidity. This is the strongest pair. We should have taken this sell side liquidity. We did not. We lifted off, so it can be an SMT, which is okay. It makes sense, but also SMTs, guys, on Monday sometimes does not hold and does not, it doesn't, like, you can't trust SMTs. And I'll show you a couple example here on this exact day, and we'll go like through the day and see which SMT failed and which did not. So this SMT did not fail. It delivered beautifully because we had clear target, equal highs. So when we're here, when we took out this high, right, a lot of times, a lot of people trade blindly off of just the SMT blindly. So look at this, guys. Nasdaq took out these equal highs, right? Where was ES? ES was like right here. You see this? ES was right here, reacting off of this void. So someone else can see like this and be like, oh, okay, let's go short, right? Stop loss like maybe on this candle and take profit. Maybe we'll see like we're gonna retrace to this support level or the market structure shift retest, and it will get wrecked immediately. Why? Because this is not an SMT. It failed. Yes, it is an SMT, but to be honest, they did not give a proper setup. But for people that would take it off of just blindly, they will just get destroyed. And I just want you guys to look over this whole day as a whole. You can see how bad the price action is. Like after we took out this like clear target, these ones and then these ones, the market kind of like started to consolidate right here, and then it started to consolidate, and then it sold off for no freaking reason, because it's a Monday, no news, buddy. So this is what you going to have to deal with if you want to trade a Monday, no news with this choppiness. It came down there, sold off for no reason, retested from the market structure shift, and then it went up. And it didn't give any setups. Chop, 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 go up from the end of the bearish fair value gap, and it respected it, and it wants to come down again. And it every time we do something, it's just very choppy, very choppy. You can see also this other SMT. That's another SMT, guys. So when we're here, ES took out this high while Nasdaq failed to do so. Look here again. It should be another SMT right here. A real trader will see, oh, we have a bullish SMT right here, right? The price went up, took some buy side liquidity, we came back down. Anyway, we're in a consolidation range, guys. Look at this. We're in a consolidation range. So when we're in consolidation, this thing does not really matter. This thing does not really matter. SMT does not matter in consolidation ranges. And when you have like two SMTs, you gotta stay out of the market. You gotta just sit aside, let the market do its thing so you don't get consolidated and get killed in consolidation, and you will blow your accounts in consolidation, guys. Trust me. Because if you're trading, let me give you a quick example. If you're trading a IFEG, you'll look at this bullish fair value gap, right? Look how many trade you can take here. Bullish fair value gap, we broke down. Underneath it, you're gonna take a short, right? To maybe this low. It failed. Stop loss. Stop out. You come here, right? You're gonna see this bearish fair value gap, or this is not a bearish fair value gap. Okay. You're gonna see this bullish fair value gap again. We broke underneath it. You're gonna take another short to this low. Same exact low. Stop loss, right? Here's another one. Same exact thing. Bearish fair value gap. We broke above it. You're gonna take a buy here. You're gonna target maybe this high. Maybe you're gonna say, oh, it's time for the market to go up to get this high. Okay, stop out, right? Second trade right here. This bullish fair value gaps. We broke underneath it. You're gonna take another short here. Stop out, right? To this exact low. Stop out. Now you're gonna take, oh, this big bearish fair value gap. If we break it, we're going up, baby. Okay, let's do it. Here you go. Here you go. That's another stop out, buddy. And just the list goes on and on. And here's another one. This bullish fair value gap, or this bullish fair value gap, whatever one you want to take. You want to take it from here. Put your stop loss here. And look at this. Finally it worked. And maybe you'll take it to this low, and then you will be like, oh dang, it just sold off and I could have made more. And by at this time, you take your profit here, right? You take your profit here and be like, oh god dang it, I should have held and whatever. But you actually did not know. That was just gambling. That is just gambling. And you'd be like, oh, look at this movement. Look at this. Oh, we moved. We were like out of the consolidation. And by the time it gets to this level, or like here, you'd be like, oh, and it gives you one bearish candle. Let's go. And your target is right here. It comes out and it takes you stop loss again. So look at this. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses, one small win. Your account is basically blown by the time that you get to this trade. This is why Monday no news can be dumb and so frustrating for a lot of people, because a lot of people tends to blow their accounts in these market conditions. Like, look at this. Are you kidding me? The market is basically going sideways, guys. Market is going sideways. This is not a price action to trade. So this is why I took today off, and I did see this trade idea. I did not take it, and I told you why I did not take it. Did not see the SMT at the bottom, and also did not trust it for a Monday with no news day. So hopefully you guys see what I'm talking about. It kind of helps you understand why SMT is not important in consolidation range, how SMT can be used, and why you cannot trade SMT blindly, guys. Right here. Cannot trade SMT blindly, because it will get you. So I think that's all for right now. We, as promised, we're gonna announce the lucky winner for the 150K account from MyFundedFutures. We got the list right here. We got about 29 participants. So let's put in right here 29, and let's pick the lucky winner, number 6, which is Moses. Congratulations. And your account should be active by tomorrow. So if you find this video helpful, guys, I would appreciate it if you drop a like on it, subscribe to the channel if you are not already yet. And this is the third giveaway that we're doing, and we're doing much more. Once we get closer to 1,000 subscribers, So you better join our YouTube community so you can get notified whenever we run another free giveaway. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.